Okay, first what we should have? We should have one Snowflake account. Okay, it's a SaaS model. Then what I should create? Create one development database, development schema. Then one table should be created. Okay, let me go to the Snowflake. It's a what UI? It's a Snowsite UI. We are creating the Snowsite UI, user interface. Let me create one database. So create database. So database name that is other DevDB. So development database. So database has been created. Same thing, create one schema. So schema syntax that word. So create schema name.
Other dev schema.
Okay, so dev schema. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database by using select current database.
Current schema.
Current schema. So like this, you can able to understand my database and my schema. Tell me in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables. By using show tables. Okay, see, as of now, no tables are there. Same thing, I want to find list of database. How to find list of database? Show databases. Now see which database you are looking. Which database is current will be other dev. It will be a Y. We are in the current database. Same thing. Show schemas. Now which is schema? We are in other dev schema. So let me create one table. Now tell me now table is what table I can give the name of this table. What name I can give for this use case? Tell me. Now tell me, it's a other details table. Okay, see other details. Okay, create. Let me write in the same thing. So create table. So table name other details underscore T. So bracket open, bracket close. Now what happened? Other number is what a type? Other number is what a type?
Number.
It's a number data type. Okay, see. It's a number data type. Okay, same thing. Okay, name is what type? Name is also, let's say, varchar. Okay, varchar. Suppose I'm putting 30. Okay, same thing, bracket open, bracket close. Now, what about address? Address is also varchar. Yes, see, spelling mistake should be varchar of 100. Same thing, next step is that what mobile number is what data type? Mobile number is, say, number. Same thing. So what about email? Email is also varchar of 30. Something I'm putting 30. Okay. So always what we should follow, the alignment should be followed. So it's nothing but coding alignments. Okay, see, comma should be there. Now where I should execute in the Snowsite UI. Okay, see, copy. And what is shortcut? Shortcut is what? It's a control enter. Control. Tell me second time can work the same functionality. It says object already exists. Now what happened now? How to see the data? By using what? By using which statement? By using select statement. So select star from our table name. So table. So control V. Now control enter. Now as of now, no data is there. See one important point. Okay, see, I'm exiting one statement. I'll tell at a point of time. I'll explain at a point of time. Don't worry. So this one I'm using. Okay. Let's see what happened now. This table is there. Same thing in other session. I'm opening one more session. Assuming it's a new session. Tell me now I want to get this database, this schema. How to get this database, this schema here by using which keyword? Use database. Database. That is database, nothing but what it's a what database we can? Other DevDB. Same thing. Use schema, other dev schema. Tell me how it's list of tables.
Show tables.
Show tables. Okay, show tables. Okay, it will you list of tables. Okay. Now how to see databasing? Select statement. So this is one important topic. Select star from table. So data is not is there. So data is not available. Now what happened now? Table has been created. Now I want to populate this data. Tell me how to populate this data. By which statement?
Insert.
Insert.
That is DML command. DML command, that is insert statement. Now I want to populate some data. How to populate? By using insert statement. Syntax that what? What is syntax? It's a
Insert
into
table.
insert into table. Okay, so on the list of columns. How many columns we want? We want to get only Aadhaar number, name, mobile number. Only 3 columns. Okay, Aadhaar number, name, and one more thing is that what? One more thing is mobile number. Okay, so mobile number. Aadhaar number. Now tell me, now this is what? We should go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So complete SQL statement will be covered today. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the name is what? Name is Praveen. Tell me now it will work. So 3 columns, 2 values it will work. Tell me 3 columns, 2 values it will work. No. What compulsory? What compulsory? 3 values should be there. Okay, it should be there. Okay. Now 3 values. Now what happened? Praveen and number. And now tell me it will work. 3 columns, 3 values. Tell me.
No.
It
Tell me
won't work.
it.
The Praveen should be in
Single
quotes.
Okay, see,
Quotes, yeah.
alphabets compulsory put in a single quotes. Okay. Now, how many columns are there in my table totally? 5 columns are there. We are populating only 2 columns. Remaining 2 columns, what will get populated by default?
Null.
Default null. We'll see the same thing in later point of a null separate session. So see the data. Okay. Now, point is that what? Now we have seen this data. Now data is available. In the new session, tell me data will be available or not? As an important.
Yeah, available.
Yes, yes.
Why it available? What is insert statement? Insert is what? DDL or DML?
DML.
DML. Tell me data will come here.
No, commit.
see. So see, point is that what here, this is important point, remember? So see, so DMLs are not auto committable. What exactly it means? Anybody tell me? This is important for database perspective. Tell me.
We have to commit once the insert is placed.
Okay, now
Yeah.
point is that what simple thing, I'll try to explain in detail. Okay, let me go back here. So this is, we're in the current session. So this is the current session, important, listen, session. Now what happened? Now I'm trying to create one table. So create table. So T1 ID number. Okay, now table is available. Now tell me the same table is available in other session or not? Tell me the same table will be available or not? Yes, sir, tell me.
Yes. 11.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
it will be available.
it will be available. Why? Because this is because so DDLs are auto committable. Auto committable in the sense like what? When we execute any DDL statement. So what happened? DDL statement, the data will be okay. The changes will be available in all the sessions. I'll explain one more time. Now see, point is that suppose let me add a new column. Tell me how to add a new column. How to add a new column by which statement? By using alter command. Alter table name, add ID number. Now tell me the new column will be added at the second position. See, ID. So see, new column will be available. Same thing. Now tell me, now this will be available or not here?
Yeah, it
New
will
session.
be.
Reason is
Yes.
that what? DDLs are auto committable. Once you perform anything, what happened? The change will get reflected in all the sessions. It will be available. Same thing now. What point? Now I am trying to insert one record. Insert into T1 values 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. Now it says insert is a what statement? Say DML statement. Now execute the statement. Now what happened? Now data is, this is, remember, this is one session. Now data is available in the current session. What about the new session? Available or not?
No.
Just tell me.
No,
See?
not yet.
So no. Point is that what? So DMLs are not auto committable. So what exactly we should? We should explicitly control this transaction. One more point. So DMLs are called as transactions. So this transaction, how to control by using TCL. What is TCL? It's a transaction control language. That is commit and rollback. For the point of one more time. So point is that what? So DMLs are not auto committable. Data will be available in the current session. If I want to get this data available, what I should do? I should control this transaction. How can I control this transaction? By using transaction control language. What is commit? Tell me. Commit is nothing but what? Important. Commit is nothing but what?
Just save the changes, whatever we done.
Saving the data permanently the database table. Now see what happened, simple thing. Now in the current session, I'm trying to commit the data, commit, control, enter. Now see data will be, now as of now, data is not available. Now what happened? So data will be available here. So point is that what? So DMLs are not auto committable. We need to explicitly control by using transaction control language, that is commit and rollback. Same thing. Now what happened? Let me insert one more record. So 10. So 10. Now data will be available in the current session. What about here? It will be available as of now. Data will not be available. Okay. If I commit, what happened? Tell me. Data will be available here. So see, data will be available. Same thing. One more time, I insert the same data. 100, control enter. As of now, 3 records will be there here. Okay, how many records will be there here? Only committed data. Okay, only committed data will be available. Now what happened? Now I am putting a rollback. Now tell me what will happen? Rollback.
It will roll back.
It will roll back to the previous status.
Which one?
To one record or
No, rollback is nothing but what? See, now which one is committed data? Now these two got committed. So it will have any impact on these 2 records?
Committed data will not have any impact.
So see, point is that what? So once we commit the data, so they did so we cannot revert the changes. One more time, if not able to understand, I'll go here. So this is important point. Okay, let me create one more table. So create table. So T11 ID number. Now it's a what statement? Create is a what? Say it's a what? Say DDL. No, now data will be available there. So select star from. So see data will be. So as of now, table is there. Create a table. So table is available here. Okay, same thing. Now tell me table will be available or not in the new session. It will be available. Okay. Now this is fine. Next point is that what? Let me insert one record. Insert into values 1. Now data will be available in my current session. Whatever the changes I perform, it will be available in the current session. What about the session? Data will not be available. Once we commit only, data will be available in the different session. So this clear so far. Now data will come here. It will be no worries. Okay. No, nothing. Okay. Now what happened? This is fine. Next point is that what? I insert one more 10th record. Now data will be 2 records. Here only the committed data will be available. It is only single record. Now if I put rollback, now tell me what will happen? Rollback, which will get revert back? Only the uncommitted data will be reverted back. Only which uncommitted in the sense like what? Uncommitted in the sense like what? See? So see what happened? Which one? The 10th record will get reverted back. So that was the functionality. So save is nothing. So commit is nothing but saving the data. Let me put, suppose like, let me save this functionality. Suppose what happened, I'm putting. Now what happened? I'm saving today with the, so DMS. Okay. Now what happened? Now data is saved. When I close the same thing, now data will not be available. Now again, open this functionality. Now data will be there. Now only what data? Only committed data. Let me, what happened? Let me put some data. Now close this functionality. Okay. Now I'm not saving. Now tell me this data will be saved? No. Now what happened? Only what data will be available? Only the committed data will be available. That's what the functionality. So see, point is that what commit is nothing but saving the data permanently in the database table. Rollback is nothing but what the uncommitted data we are trying to revert the changes. Hope this clear? This is the functionality. Okay. Now come to our topic. Okay. Tell me how to see list of tables. List of tables. Tell me list of tables.
Show
List
tables.
of Show tables.
Show
Okay, one
tables.
second. Okay, 1 second.